Hello guys, we got two packages, this smoke food and the Lionel 2022 Volume 2 catalog. Let's start off with the smoke food. Let me get the scissors real quick. Alright, we're back. Just tear this off. I forgot. I'm pretty sure it's Peppermint I got. Let's see here. Scissors can't. Yeah, you know. Let's just have to happen. Just gonna open it off camera. There we go. It actually. There we go. It actually opened. Let's see here. What we got. See. I think I'm not gonna show this, but okay, yeah. Alright, now I'm gonna go get this out of here. Here we go. Ooh, this is warm for some reason. I know. Smoke food, peppermint. And all the stuff. And let's open this. There's already a tear here. There's already a tear here. There we go. First impressions. Yeah, okay. And first impressions, this looks pretty cool actually. I know we'll go. Minor Volume 2 catalog. This is one chief information. I'm not gonna go through it, but there's the unboxing of Lionel, Peppermint, Smoke Food, and the Lionel Volume 2 2022 catalog. Bye.